Hello everyone, good to see you all. Welcome to Excel Visuals with Muthu. In this video, we are going to learn about the next set of 5 essential formulas in Excel. What we are going to do is, in the sample data, we need the count. So we know this equal to count, and then we will try to select the range. It will give how many fruits are sold. But we need the next task, which is how many fruits. So many people will do a mistake. They will try to use the same count formula and then they will select the sales column. What will happen? It will just give the count of the values entered, right? It will skip the blanks, but there are still 10 fruits are there. For a huge data, we can't identify that, right? So the appropriate columns have to be selected. That is a major task in the calculations. Equal to, I am just going to use the count tab value. What I will do, I have to select the fruits column, but please don't select the headings. Sometimes that can also do a mistake there. I'm selecting only the fruits in our data, close bracket, enter. What happened? Why we are getting 0? Previously we have done the count, but it gave the answer, but I'm doing the same count in the fruits column. It is not giving a result. So what I will usually do is I will try to check the formula nature. What is that formula? Equal to count. Everyone, please read this. What it is giving? Counts the number of cells in a range that contains numbers. So, if you check the sales column, we have numerical values. That's why it get counted in the count formula. But in the fruits column, there is no count. There is no numerical values. That's why the count formula unable to count this. So what we have to do? In the list, if I check the next formula, it is mentioned as count A. What is count A? Immediately what people will think, counting alphabets, A for alphabets, but it is not like that. It is all. What does that all mean? If you have a number or alphabet or alphanumeric, it will get counted. Even if you have a special character, a hyphen also will get counted. I will show that. I'm going to use this count A tab. Then I will select the range. As I told, don't select the data from the headings. Select only from the values. I will close, enter. We are getting 10. Perfect, right? Now we can do the check. We can do the analysis. I am trying to click on the grapes and I will delete. What will be the answer now? If I delete 9 entries, because Excel won't count the blank. In the count formula also it won't count the blank. The count A formula also it won't count the blank empty cells. In case if I mention a number 23, it will get counted. So numbers, alphabets, as well as if I type A1 alphanumeric also, it will get counted. At the same time, if I delete and if I put a hyphen, that will also get counted. Enter, it will get counted too. Then next, how many unsold? Unsold means the empty cells in the data, right? So what we can do? I will try to go with equal to count blank, because we have to count the empty cells in the data, which means unsold there. Count blank tab and I will select the range. Close bracket, enter, we will get the result. So 8 fruits are sold, 2 fruits are unsold. Like that we can have a track. Now we are into the next dimension of our calculations, which is the direct question is second highest sales. But we have a formula equal to max. Yes, right? I will go for the maximum value. That's what we can do. We can't have any option to go for the second, third, fourth kind of stuff. So what people will prefer? They will try to go for the sorting option. Data tab, they will sort the data and then they will try to analyze manually. But manual operations won't work for a huge data, right? Or else if the data is dynamic, changing in a period of time, you can't do that. For that, we have some formulas, which is equal to large. Like max, there is a formula. What it is telling? Returns the kth largest value, which means I will press a tab. It is asking array, so I will select the range, then a comma. It is asking k, a position. If you need 1, the topmost value, number 1, 2, 3, 4, like that you can define the number and numeric have to be written here. I need the second maximum value, so number 2, close bracket, enter. We are getting 837. See here, 884 is the topmost one, 837 is the next value. In large formula, if you give the position, it will return the maximum value in that position. Like the same, second lowest. So what I can do? Large means equal to small. Tab, select the range, then a comma, number 2. Min formula will give the minimum, the lowest value alone, but small formula will definitely give you the value based on the position. So 271 is the lowest value, but 430 is the second lowest. Like that we can able to get this. So these 5 major formula will be helpful for tracking your data by using the count as well as for the second, third, the position based max or min. Thank you all. We can see in the next video.